Hi everyone, it's Danielle Stewart, the ESL supervisor, and I wanted to show you a cool new feature that the state of Arkansas has bought for us to be able to use parent forms in different languages, even Arabic. So I'm going to walk you through how to register for TransAct, which is the new translation services for forms. There are a lot of forms on there that are already translated. This will not replace Marcella. It will not replace our parent-teacher conferences. This is just to access some really quick forms that you can use within your building. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to TransAct, TransAct.com, and you need to register for a new account. So what I'm going to do, I've already registered, and so I'm going to use my husband's because he's here to register him. So what you do is you will go here to register, and then you will scroll down to where it says right here TransAct Parent Notices, and you will click Login. It will take you to a page where you need to register, and if you already know yours, which I'll show you in a minute, I'll access mine to show you. But you're going to click on, if you haven't already, New User, Register for Access. So then it's going to ask you what state you want. You go down, you choose Arkansas, what county, you scroll all the way down to Pope, and then you're going to click on Russellville School District. This is a free service because Arkansas ADE bought this for us. It won't cost anything for the district. So I'm going to enter Seth because, like I said, I have already done this for myself. Okay. And then it's going to ask you to fill out your contact information. You're going to fill out whatever you are. I put the school phone there, and then it's going to ask you to confirm your email. I'm just doing this along with you so you can see. Okay, so we've got all that. Then you're going to push next. And it says your registration has been completed. So then you're going to go to your email, and it will give you your password and your login, which your login is always your email. So now I'm going to pretend that I've already gotten that, and I'm going to log in as myself now just because I want to show you what it can do. So you go to the login and register. You go down to the parent notices again, and it will bring you to the login screen. So I'm going to enter mine in. And then you sign in. It will give you a numerical code to use. So here we are. We have all of these different things. So what I want you to do is, if you will look under Important, Updated, and Required, let's see, All Documents. Okay, go to the All Documents drop-down menu, and this is what we have so far. You notice that they're working on IDEA, Section 504 compliance forms that are already interpreted, translated, but right now I'm going to take you to the ESSA parent notifications. This is great for principals or teachers, parent-teacher conferences. So you've got these things. If you'll click on this one, it has all of these different forms that you can use. There's all kinds of stuff, but I'm going to show you just an example of one. We're going to go to the parent-teacher conference one. This is ESSA under section 1116, so it even tells you what it accomplishes. So you click on it, and it will take you to the actual document. This is important, okay? Right here on the right, there's a drop-down menu for language. Okay, so you can choose the language to do it, and it'll tell you how to fill it in. So if we did Spanish, You can fill in and print, view and print, all kinds of stuff. Let's just do fill in and print and see what it looks like. So here's how it is, okay? So right now it's in English. It tells you parents or guardians, we're having parent-teacher conferences. Here's the day, the time, phone number, please take this, yes or no, you'll come. It's already all made for you, okay? So what you want to do is you want to fill it in, and then you select the languages again. So you could put it in Spanish also, and then it'll give you a file name. So I save that file, and then when I go to print it, you see it's coming up in a PDF. We're going to open that so you can see. It's coming. Okay, so here's the English one, and of course your information would have been filled in there. And if you scroll down, here's the exact same one in Spanish with that information that you would have filled in there. So that is just a little tutorial of how to use TransAct. So I hope that you get to use these this year. I'm going to training later this month, and I'll be able to tell you more of the features, but until then, you can definitely look through. You see that they have Title I things, federal grants, they have school support, they have a huge thing for family and community engagement, EL programs, all kinds of stuff, migrant. So just let me know if you need any help. There's homeless foster care. I'm going to go back and just look really quickly for the SPED department to see if they do have anything under the IDEA, and they do not. So it looks like they're going to be working on that. But anyway, that is TransAct, and let me know if you have any questions.